here because you're gifted, you're talented, and you know, my rooms are quite playful, we're gonna explore, and I just want us to have a good time.
I believe in myself again. From now I will suggest you. Not my technique. Come on again. Yep. I believe in myself again. From now I will suggest you. Not my technique. Come on back, listen. Yeah. What you say? I like that. I like that. Yeah.
Do what you want, yeah. Put personality. Yeah.
What a masquerade I would feel compared to a Patreon is two different feelings. Whereas somebody who actively takes part in it compared to a masquerade would be totally different. Which perspective do you want to highlight?
And that last pre-chorus is her going to Carnival getting before she's in it.
So talking about how there's lack of representation for us as heroes.
Yeah.
So anywhere she can be a queen, a hero,
Yes.
like that.
In order for me to tap into that emotional part, even if we had something stripped down there and at least I can write or you know what I mean?
Again, this is a vision of like Carnival, how I wish it could be. So like, if there was a proper stage that they crossed that judging point, and if there was a proper judging panel, and if there was a proper prize.
Since her mother died before going to Carnival, it's been too painful for Cece to manage.
Kind of like the voice of her mother in the sense of saying, come back.
Yes.
Right.
Do you know what I mean? And she's like, Mom, don't leave me, not again, sort of thing. And she's like, oh, you're back here, make sure you come to Carnival, but come in costume so I can see you like shining from the heavens.
I like that, that's nice. In painting the picture of the mother's ancestor to bring in so much history, there's such a beautiful space there. When you're feeling low, I said, my girl, when you're feeling low, just put your music on, let's overheal your soul.
Get ready to wipe my girl, no type of procrastination. They're staring in awe of you, so much fascination.